Yeah, ma'am. So you are mentioned you are not getting the English environment, right? So
Yeah.
how you are making like how you are improving your communication skills then?
Actually, I have started my English journey 1 year before.
Okay.
When I was in second year, I just opened a YouTube channel randomly. I didn't have any idea. Then after, I revealed up my face.
Hmm?
So I didn't get any idea, but I found out my niche, which is English. Which means my heart told me that Priya, you want to be fluent in English. English would change your life.
Okay.
This one sentence which just resonate in my heart.
Hmm?
So that itself, I started my English journey, and I just focus on listening, speaking first.
Okay.
Most of the people recommend to concentrate on four aspects of learning a language: listening,
Hmm?
speaking, reading, and writing.
Yeah.
When it comes to reading and writing, for me as a beginner in that time, I found it was a tedious and daunting task. But right now, I become a bookworm.
Okay.
I just addicted to reading books. That was my English journey have changed me.
Oh, great, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, listening and speaking helped me a lot. So there is an app called CV Speaking English application and
Yeah.
AC application.
Hmm.
So I can just practice my English with random co-learners just for my practice every day for 3 months when I was a beginner without
Okay.
skipping every day.
Okay.
So that was improved my communication skill. After a year, then only I get this much of confidence to making conversations like that. So right now I'm looking forward to improve my conversation, enhance my English fluency, upgrade my English level. Actually, I don't want to become fluent in English speaker. Not only want to become an eloquent speaker, but also want to improve my communication skill, like want to become a best communicator, one of the best communicators. So that's why I'm just working for it.
Great inspiration. I must say that the kind of consistent effort that you have put in on like different application you have mentioned like CV as well as ACE Fluency, where I am also did like I am also doing right now also that practicing the audio conversation with the different co-learners and we on day-to-day basis if we spend like let's say 30 minutes 1 hour on speaking then it will definitely improve the way that see I can feel that the way you are speaking in front of camera and that's big inspiration, I must say that.
Yeah, of course. Thank you for your wonderful compliment.
Thank you. And also you speak very well actually. You are not fumbling also. You are like you are talking flawlessly. I must say that.
Great compliment from your side. I feel very happy.
Because at this young age you made such a improvement in your life and you recognize that I want to do something in my life, especially I want to become a good communicator and good public speaker. And so that's remarkable.
Yeah, yes. Why? Because I have completed my schooling in government schools.
Hmm.
Right now, I'm doing my graduation in government sector school only.
Thank you. And also you are an inspiration to lot of students who are actually watching this video, especially on your YouTube channel. I must say that there is a lot of insights you can learn from the channel. And also you are putting a lot of good content on on the video or on the channel. Okay.
I'm just putting my effort a lot.
Yeah. And
Right. I just started my conversation journey, especially with you.
okay.
So I'm gonna have a conversation with a lot of people to enhance my knowledge.
True, you will definitely enhance your communication skills and best of luck for that and best of luck for your YouTube journey as well. And you have almost gained a good subscriber base. So last how many last how many months you have started this channel? Which was the first video that you have uploaded on your channel?
Yeah, let me tell you. Actually, I have started this channel July 30, 2023. I think 1 year I have completed.
Okay, great. Okay.
So I started my 1 year of English journey. Right now, I am an intermediate level learner.
Okay, great. So you are from South Tamil Nadu, right? Have you not felt any kind of pronouncing some kind of words like you are able to pronounce some kind of words because South Indians have different slang itself completely, right? Yeah.
Right.
Have you faced any kind of difficulty while pronouncing some kind of English words, especially?
I don't have a certain words, but I have the mother tongue influence when I was a beginner. I just concentrate on loud readings.
Hmm?
So I have taken a challenge to my channel called Magic Book Gratitude Challenge.
Okay.
So, so for 28 days, I have read loud for several times for a chapter.
Okay.
So after 1 month, my subscribers noticed me and they told me that Priya, your pronunciation have improved. What
Okay.
did you what did you do? So could you please give me suggestion for us to improve our pronunciation like that? So
Okay.
then after, oh really, my pronunciation have changed, improved. So then after I came to know that yeah, loud reading will definitely improve our
Hmm.
pronunciation like that. So I have faced the mother tongue influence while I'm speaking.
Still you have improved a lot, and I have not feel any kind of your mother tongue influence the way you are pronouncing the words, right? I'm not like you are like speaking very naturally as well.
Yeah. Why? Because I have watched your conversation videos too. So
Okay.
that you make the conversation as a friendly manner.
True.
And I have watched a lot of conversations too. Then I just improved myself. So if you make any conversation, you have to speak like that. Like it is, I train myself.
True, ma'am. So yeah. Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, of course. Actually, what is your mother tongue?
So actually my mother tongue is Telugu. Note as well, because that negative comments help us to improve our spoken journey as well as our YouTube journey, right?
Right, absolutely. It will disturb ourselves, disturb our mind, everything totally disturbed. But
True.
we want to face it.
We need to anyway face it, because anyway at any point of time we need to handle the criticize that we are getting from a lot of people, and because we are out on the videos, right? Because people have the provision to add their required comments, like whether it's a positive or negative comments on the video.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very excited that you have found out the exact thing which running in my mind that you are looking like Siri. So this is the most happiest thing which I have heard from you.
Because I feel the face, I remember the face. Okay, so I felt exactly the kind of, she felt like she wears sari as well in of our videos. I see also look like very traditional South Indian, having like tickly and everything, like the kind of dress she wear and everything, she look perfectly like a South Indian. So because of that I resonate with you, so such a way that because of that I complimented you.
Yeah, yeah. Great. Thank you for your wonderful compliment. I just take it as an inspiration for me.
Sure. Also, you have beautiful smile and you have gorgeous. Also, you are looking gorgeous today, and must say that because of that you are getting a lot of views, and you are also good in English, especially. Okay, because content matters at the end of the day, because you are providing a valuable content to the your audience, right?
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Your words means a lot to me.
Thank you
Actually,
so.
you think why I am today looking gorgeous and beautiful means just an hour before I have shot a video for my YouTube channel after
Okay.
a long. Actually, I
Okay.
have 3 weeks, more than 3 weeks gap because I had a cold fever due to winter. That I want to shoot a video, so I shot. So now I feel very happy. Yeah, after a long gap, I have shot a video. Hereafter, I want to edit and upload. Actually, that video content is all about gratitude.
Okay.
Everything is to positive affirmation, positive things like that. So after shot the video, I open my Skype ID. I'll receive your comment.
Okay. Okay.
I later that then I thought, oh yeah, positive power of thinking is really working.
Oh,
Like it, yeah. I don't waste my time. And at once I reply to, yes, I'm ready to make this conversation. So
Okay, so
guiding me. Today itself, I'm gonna start my conversation journey in my YouTube channel.
it's wonderful that we are connected today. I'm also grateful for you because you are a big YouTuber. I must say that the kind of subscribers that I have today. Okay, and
Like that, but I don't feel like that. I'm not like one of the famous YouTuber. Yeah, I have quite subscribers.
but you will definitely, I'm saying you will reach that 100K subscribers base. Okay, you will reach next milestone. I believe that's 10K subscribers. You will reach definitely after having a lot of videos uploaded on your channel through this conversation as well as your solo videos. And all the best for that. And keep working hard. Keep putting a lot of content on your channel.
Yeah, thank you so much. And let me know how to connect with people because I have found out your email something from your channel, so I have mailed you.
Okay, sure. I will add you. I will share some of the group links. Okay. There are, I must say that like 60% are YouTubers, 40% are not YouTubers. Okay. Non-YouTubers. So I will share you a group link. So in that, after clicking, you can join in that group automatically. And people are bombarded with you with a lot of messages saying, I want to be have in my video.
I'm really waiting for that moment because I didn't know where to start, how to start. So
Don't worry. So even if you don't respond, the other YouTubers will bombard with you a lot of messages. Okay, you will be seen in a lot of YouTube. I must say that, like after this conversation, after joining the group. Okay.
I'm really
Tru-
waiting for the wonderful moments which take
Truth.
in my.
After this conversation, I will share that group link so that you can join that group and you will have a wonderful conversation with all the YouTubers.
I really enjoyed your conversation, making conversation with you. Especially, this is my first conversation, first stepping stone for my conversational journey. So, with a very positive vibe. So, thank you
Thank.
so much to connecting with me today. I feel very happy, and you are going to guide me to
Okay.
make conversation videos too. So, I feel very grateful for you.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I am the first person to having the conversation with you. I am felt very really blessed today and looking to you because you are, I've already complimented you a lot of times during the video conversation and I don't want to compliment again. Okay. And you, I must say that you will be having a great future in YouTube as well as the in your personal life, whatever the goals you have. And I really enjoyed the conversation.
Thanks a lot.